Welcome to part 3. In part 3, we'll be discussing about just 3 components. First is US 10-year treasury yield, then Brent and Nymex. Brent and Nymex, the movement and everything is the same. So we'll combine and discuss that. So first we will see US 10-year yield. US 10-year yield, it closed at 4.066. Yes, 5.9% up, 6.9% up roughly. And in this month, again, 5.9% up. In the calendar year, it is 4.8% up. So if you recollect, we said that last week itself it formed a solid green candle and moving towards the Bollinger upper band. We said that the up move, it is on a strong uptrend. This week it continued and it formed once again a solid green candle and it is moving towards just below the Bollinger upper band. In the monthly chart, it has formed till now third powerful strong green candle. And of course, if this happens probably next month, you can have a falling 3 methods. There can be a pullback or correction or even a reversal. But that is for the next month. But for this month, it has formed a solid green candle. So hence, we expect it's a very powerful closure in this month. If not at 4, above 4, at least between 3.8 to 3.85 levels, it will close. It will not close below that. That's such a powerful up move it is on. In the daily chart, yes, significantly up in the last 4 days. Where it is above the Bollinger upper band. So normally these are all signals of a very powerful up move, and hence we expect US 10-year treasury yield to go up significantly in the calendar year, particularly the second half of the year. When you come to Brent and Nymex, once again, the power of technical analysis. If anybody who is watching my video regularly, they will know that we have always been telling about, particularly for US 10-year yield, treasury, 10-year Brent and Nymex, and we will discuss that rates and we'll go into that. Brent closed at 78.47, up by 4.8%. Nymex 73.86, up by 4.6%. In this calendar year, but it is down 8.7%, roughly around 9% it is down. But what happened? If you recollect, I would request people to see all my earlier videos, they will know. We have time and again insisted that it is taking strong support at the 200-week moving average. In fact, twice it has taken support. We have mentioned the dates also where at that time where it has took support at the 200-week and bounced up. And now what happened? When the last month ended, we said that it formed a inverted hammer kind of a candle, which is a reversal candle. And anyway, it is the downtrend is over. We will have a good up move in July or August. That is what we said. It formed a solid up move in this month. Already you can see that is what it had happened. In the weekly chart, last week it closed forming a doji. And it was right to form a morning star. It formed a typical morning star candle and jumped up beautifully in the weekly chart. Now it is well above the 200-week moving average. If you recollect, I have always told that the 200-week below which there is nothing is available at the weekly chart, right? Whereas in the monthly chart, when we analyzed, we had said that it is now in the monthly chart, it is now taking support at the 200 month is here, 50 was here, 100 is below. It was taking support at the 50 month and then bouncing off when it was taking support at 200 week and 50 month, below which was the 100 month. 200 month is above. So now it has taken beautiful support at the 50 month. It never went below 50, below which was 100. It never went there. 50, it took support, 50 month moving average, both Brent and Nymex, I'm saying, and then bounced off. Now it is just touching the 200 month moving average. And at this pace, in this month, it can take out decisively the 200 month moving average. If that happens, we will have a good rally for Brent and Nymex in the second half of the year, which is definitely not good for oil importing countries like Indians. As an Indian, I feel bad about it, but technical is technical. The levels are levels. We are telling the facts. The daily chart, it supports how it is supporting. It's going up significantly and moving towards the Bollinger upper band. It has taken out all the moving averages excepting the 200-day moving average, which is above. So that is the only challenge that now it has on the daily chart. With this dollar in Brent and Nymex, last week itself we told that, in fact last month itself we told, in the month of June itself, May itself we told that the fall is going to be very limited and the risk reward favors an up move. Thank you very much.